Let us learn the characteristics of Zener diode. Experiment number 13. This is a Zener diode, the negative terminal. This is get connected to the positive terminal of the eliminator, and this positive terminal of Zener diode is get connected to the negative terminal of a eliminator. That shows that this Zener is working in a reverse bias. So if you just look at here, this is a reverse bias connection. The negative terminal, this is positive terminal. The positive is Zener is get connected to the negative terminal of the battery, and negative terminal of the Zener is get connected to the positive terminal of a battery. This connection is called as reverse bias, and this Zener diode always working in a reverse bias condition. This is an apparatus to study the Zener characteristics. This is a Zener diode. The black color terminal is a negative of the Zener diode, and the other terminal is act as a positive terminal. So negative terminal of a diode is get connected to the positive terminal of the input inside battery. The positive is get connected to the positive terminal of the milliammeter. Then negative of this milliammeter is get connected to the negative terminal of the battery through this variable resistance, with which we can change the input voltage. This is a voltmeter. It is get connected across this Zener to find out the output voltage. This is an observation table for the Zener diode characteristics. Input voltage we can change using this knob, and we can measure the output current through this milliampere and output voltage with this voltmeter. So before we start this experiment, we have to adjust this knob in a reverse bias. So this is mentioned over here. For the reverse, the knob should be down. So knob down करके लेना है. The circuit should be on. Now we are going to change the voltage. We have to change the current value, and we have to measure the output. So before we do that, we should know the least count of this milliammeter. So here for milliammeter, the scale is 5 milliampere. So we are going to use the scale given or written above this milliampere. So from 0 to 1 there are 10 divisions. So least count of this milliammeter is 0.1 milliampere. And for the voltmeter, we have to take a range of 10 volt, and therefore we are going to take a scale written below the scale of this voltmeter. So there are 10 divisions for the 2 volt, and therefore the least count of voltmeter is 0.2 voltage. Or let us start the experiment. We are going to change the voltage and writing the current value. So change the voltage up to the 1 volt. The current value is 0. Take the voltage 2. Still the current value is 0. Change the voltage up to 3 volt. See the current value is 0. Then I just change the voltage slowly. Now for the voltage 3.6, the current value is 0.1. So we are going to take the reading like this. For 1 volt, current value is 0. For output voltage 2, current value is 0. For output voltage 3, current value is 0. But for the output voltage 3.6, current value is 0.1 milliampere. So now we'll take the reading by the difference of 0.2 voltage. So take the reading for 3.8. Current value is 0.2. Now for the 4 volt, current value is 0.3. For the voltage 4.2, current value is, it is in between the 0.4 and 0.5. No, this is a 0.5. So write the value is 0.5. Now for the voltage 4.4, current value is 0.8. (4.6), current value is 1.5. 4.8, current value is 2.6. For 5 volt, current value is giving the maximum value, that is a 5 milliampere, and therefore we can write, or we can say that the 5 voltage is a breakdown voltage. So we get a reading like this. For 5 volt, the current value is 10 milliampere, and this voltage is also called it as a breakdown voltage. Taking the reading, we have to draw the graph of voltage versus current in a third quadrant. So we have choose a scale. On x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 0.5 volt, and on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 0.5 milliampere. When we plot a graph with these readings, we are getting there is no current initially up to the 3.5 or approximately 3.4 volt, and there will be a sudden increase in a current, but at a 5 voltage the voltage remain constant and there will be a large flow of current. So we are going to draw the dotted line up to the 5 voltage, and that is indicated as a breakdown voltage as a VB. So our result is, for this Zener diode, breakdown voltage is 5 volt. Thank you.